Stocks ended Tuesday sharply higher after a brief dip during a speech by President Joe Biden, who said diplomatic efforts are ongoing with Russia as tensions over Ukraine appeared to ease. The Dow finished up about 1.25%. The S&P 500 gained more than 1.5%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq surged more than 2.5%, with big tech growth stocks including Apple and Microsoft leading the charge. Sam Stovall, the chief investment strategist at CFRA Research, said signs of de-escalating tensions along the Russia-Ukraine border certainly fueled Tuesday's buying, but believed it was a possible de-escalation in the Federal Reserve's fight against inflation that gave investors an extra boost.
We did have the Empire State reading come in weaker than expected, so it is indicating that possibly the first quarter economic growth will come down substantially from the 6.9% growth that we saw in the fourth quarter of 2021. And if GDP and other economic indicators already show that the economy is slowing, then maybe that implies that the Fed will not need to be as aggressive as earlier anticipated, and as a result, the war with inflation will also be something that starts to ebb.
Travel stocks took off Tuesday after air traffic data released late Monday showed an 83% increase in flyers last year compared to 2020. Shares of Delta rose 6%, and shares of United closed up more than 7.5%, while American Airlines flew the highest of the major U.S. carriers, rising more than 8%. The reopening travel trade extended to Marriott International, which posted results on Tuesday that beat expectations and showed that higher vaccination rates boosted hotel occupancy rates. Shares jumped 5.75%. And Airbnb shares closed up more than 6% and climbed higher in after-hours trading after posting strong results and forecast better-than-expected first-quarter revenue, citing rising domestic travel.